So in example 3, we've got a word problem. We've got a contractor is building a deck around a rectangular swimming pool. The deck is X feet from every side of the pool. Write an expression for the total area of the pool and the deck. So we want to know the area of the pool and the area of the deck. And notice it shows us that this deck is X feet wide all around. So in order to find the area of a rectangle, I know it's going to be length times width. So what I need to do is find the length of this rectangle, and then I also need to know the width. Well, I can see that the length of the pool is 20 feet. So I know I'm going to have 20 in there somewhere. And then I'm also going to have this X on this one side, so I'm going to need an X to add an X. But notice, I not only have X feet of deck on this side, I also have X feet of deck on the left side as well. So I need to add X to that side as well. So now notice, if I think about my entire length of the pool, X feet, 20 feet, another X feet. 20 plus X plus X, or X plus 20 plus X, same thing. So when I actually simplify that, I get 20 plus 2X, but then we like to write things in standard form with the variable first, so I'm going to write that as 2X plus 20. There's my length. I had 2 X's, I had X feet on either side of the pool plus the 20 feet the pool was. For width, it's going to be the same thing. I've got X feet here, and I've got my 15 feet across the pool and another X feet there. So for width, it would be the same thing, X plus 15, because the pool is 15 feet wide, plus X, which if I simplified that down by combining like terms, I would get 2X plus 15. So now I know what my length is, and I know what my width is using this diagram. So now I can say what my area is. My area is length times width, but now I know length is 2X plus 20. Width is 2X plus 15. And then notice I've got a binomial times a binomial, which means I can use FOIL. So I'm going to get my area is first times first, 2X times 2X, 4X squared. Plus outside times outside, 2X times positive 15 gives me 30X, plus inside times inside, 20 times 2X is 40X, plus last times last, 20 times 15 is 300. Then when I combine my like terms, the area would be 4X squared plus 70X plus 300. And then what we would do, we would probably have this equation. And for those of you thinking this would never happen in real life, this actually potentially could be something someone does to find the area, because if they want to see how wide the deck is, they could plug in different numbers for the width of the deck and actually find out the area. So this actually is sometimes done. If we aren't for sure how big we want the deck to be, we could find out what the area would be for different distances. So we could say, well, what if it was 1 foot wide? What would my area be? What if it was 3 feet wide? What would my area be? And we could plug in different numbers without having to redo all the work every single time.